Have you used ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Microsoft Copilot? These AI tools are everywhere now, helping with writing, research, and even chatting. But what if you could have an AI assistant like that on your own computer, working offline, and without sharing your data? That's what a tool called Ollama lets you do. What is Ollama? Ollama is a free tool that allows you to run powerful AI models like LLaMA 3, Mistral, and Gemma on your own laptop or desktop. It doesn't rely on the internet, so everything stays private and secure. It's like having your own personal ChatGPT, but you don't need to log in, pay monthly fees, or send your data to the cloud. Why use Ollama? Privacy: everything runs on your own device. Offline access: works even without internet. No subscriptions, completely free to use. Custom assistants: create your own AI personality. What you need before installing. To run Ollama, here's what your computer should have: Windows 11, Mac OS, or Linux. At least 8 GB of memory, RAM. 4 to 8 GB of free space for the model files. How to install Ollama. For Windows, go to the official website, https://ollama.com/download. Click Download for Windows. Open the file and follow the instructions to install. For Mac OS, go to the same link above and download for Mac. Or, if you are familiar with Terminal, you can install with this command. Brew install Ollama. For Linux, Ubuntu/Debian. Open the terminal and paste this command. curl fssl https://ollama.com/install.sh. How to start using AI with Ollama. After installing, it's time to talk to your personal AI. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type this: Ollama run LLaMA 3. Ollama will download the LLaMA 3 AI model, about 4 to 8 GB, and then let you chat with it right on your screen. You can also try other models. Ollama run Mistral. Ollama run Gemma. What can you do with Ollama? Write comments. Summarize documents and articles. Get ideas and brainstorm. Ask questions or translate text. Practice languages. And much more. Final thoughts. Ollama is a great way to explore AI on your own terms, no cloud, no monthly fees, and no limits on privacy. If you've ever used ChatGPT or Gemini and thought, "I wish I could do this without needing the internet," now you can. In the next blog post, I'll show you how to create your own AI assistant with a custom personality using Ollama.